Thank you for calling Sephora.
Thank you for coming. Listen, you little biatch. Skip that nonsense and put a manager on the phone.
This is Sephora.
Did you just hang up on me?
Oh, I just figured you have the wrong number because I know there's no way you meant to talk to me like I'm a piece of trash.
Look, here's what's gonna happen.
No, I'll tell you what's gonna happen. You're gonna speak to me like I'm a human being, or I'm going to hang up the phone.
Look, Missy, I don't have time for—
Yep, neither do I. Hanging up now.
Wait! Could you please put your manager on the phone? Thank you.
Sure, no problem.